Hello, and welcome to another Monetize Pros video tutorial. Today, we'll be walking through some real-life examples of creative monetization techniques in action on major websites. We'll be showcasing a handful of strategies that go beyond simple banner ads or premium memberships in order to make money from visitors to the site. Let's start with Orbitz, a site used to reserve flights, hotels, and rental cars. Now we can see here we have a page where we've selected a rental car. We have our information that we're going to fill out and we're going to make the reservation, but there's one more optional option here to get a free Outer Banks travel guide. So if we check this box and if we agree and book this rental car, we'll get this travel guide and the Outer Banks will pay Orbitz for providing that lead. So that's a flat fee lead generation that they're getting, a co-registration form for partnering with related travel organizations. Next up is an example from news site The Onion. So what The Onion does quite a bit is they'll put out sponsored tweets that drive their Twitter followers to sections of the website where an advertiser has put together a package. So in this case, there's a sponsored tweet about coverage on men's fashion, and that'll drive visitors to a section of The Onion where DSW, the advertiser in this case, has put together a funny video about monopod shoes. And you can see that DSW ads are all over the side as well as the traditional banner ads at the top. Let's move on to ESPN.com, which is one of the largest sports sites in the world. There are actually a couple of creative monetization techniques in action here. The first is a simple video ad that plays, in this case for a Nokia phone, as soon as you load up a news page. The second comes when you scroll down a bit and get to the end of the page, and what you see are these sponsored headlines. Now this is something that almost everyone is doing now. This one is run by Outbrain, it looks like. What happens are these are links that drive to external sites, and ESPN, as well as Outbrain, the network, get money every time somebody clicks on these. So a lot of times they'll be completely unrelated or pretty compelling headlines that they try to get people to click on, and every time someone does click, revenue is generated. So next up is collegehumor.com, a site that features content from thousands of contributors around the country. If you want to create a membership here, you've got to fill out the traditional name, email address, birth date, password, and then when you get down to what's called the CAPTCHA, usually this is a series of numbers that you have to enter to prove that you're a real person and not a robot. What they're doing is a widget that's provided by Solve Media, which forces you to watch a video in order to get the answer to the CAPTCHA. So when you click on this, you play as it's loading the security code, and we'll see in just a few seconds, it'll tell us you've got to enter chew stride gum in order to get the membership created here. Okay, next up is the Weather Channel site, weather.com. So this is a pretty small, hard to notice feature, but if you scroll all the way down here to the very bottom of their site, you'll see in their footer they've got several partners. So Home Depot Project of the Week, and then there's a few that are actually to completely external sites. So here's the WebMD Asthma and Allergy Center. This links to webmd.com. They have a link here in their partners for breaking news that actually goes to HuffingtonPost.com, as well as web hosting at GoDaddy. So they're making money by hosting these links in their footer. Okay, finally, let's take a look at Huffington Post, one of the sites that is linked to in that footer there, and show you how they're making a bit of extra money with affiliate marketing. So here's just a normal article on Huffington Post politics section. It's written by a woman named Martha Burke. If you scroll down to the end of this article, you'll see there's a section here, this blogger's books and other items, and these are all actually affiliate links here. So these are books that have been written by Martha Burke, and you can click through to go ahead and buy them on Amazon or at indiebound.org. And these are affiliate links that Huffington Post, if someone clicks through and ends up purchasing this book, Huffington Post makes a bit of money by doing that. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for new tutorials each week. Thanks.